morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, you know we have started our mock test series and already mock test 1 and mock test 2 are over. And this week we are having the review sessions for mock test 2. Now those who were not selected unfortunately for the review sessions, here I am today with the solutions of mock test 2 paper. And before I tell you how to access the solution paper, I want to point out few common mistakes that I noticed when I reviewed the papers which I got, right? So in the first question was you have to give the Java expression for cos x plus y square. Children, if you see, these are two terms, right? So many children, they wrote math dot cos of x plus y into y. This should not be there. You should write math dot cos of x plus y into y. Like this it should be written. Avoid writing like this. And children, we know that all trigonometrical functions like sine, cos, tan, they work with radians in Java. So you don't have to convert this x into radians and then apply the Java expression. No, maybe the x value is in radians only, so you don't have to do. Whatever is written, you just have to convert that into Java expression, right children? Then second part of question number 1 was name the primitive data types which are used for integers. Children, many of you wrote only 1 or 2 data types for integers, but you should know that there are 4 data types used for integers. We have byte, short, int and long. So whenever the question comes like this, please mention all that, because in the question it is clearly written name the primitive data types. Types is written, not type, right? So we have 4 data types: byte, short, int and long. So like that you have to write. You can write on the same line or on different lines. It's totally up to you. Before we proceed, I want to share some information with you. Children, when you do mathematics or physics, chemistry, biology, that is the science subjects, and you face any doubt, especially when you are studying during night time or early in the morning, and you don't have any educator at that time to help you out in solving your doubts, then what? Yes, for this, Unacademy has come up with a feature, Ask a Doubt feature. Children, this feature is there for mathematics and science subjects, and in this feature you can ask your doubts round the clock. That means early morning from 6 o'clock till 11 o'clock in the night. So this feature is available to all the learners and it is free right now. So this feature helps you like your personal mentor or educator or even a tutor. Here I want to mention that if you will ask 10 doubts on the feature of Unacademy app, then you are going to get 15 days subscription on Unacademy absolutely free, and there you can experience the premium quality education. You can enroll yourself in their courses, on the test series, etc. and experience the premium quality content for absolutely free. Now children, I will tell you how to ask a doubt in Unacademy feature. First of all, you should have the app. If it is not there, please download it. Then go to the app and then you have to go to Unacademy Ask a Doubt feature that you will get. See here, Ask a Doubt. You can click on Ask a Doubt and then you can ask your doubt by taking a picture or choose from gallery. I am selecting choose from gallery. Children, here I want to mention that it has to be in printed format. You cannot ask a doubt from the handwritten question, right? You select the question and then you simply crop it and put a tick mark and just submit your question. And as soon as you will submit the question, it will ask you from which subject it is. You can ask your doubts from maths, physics, chemistry and biology. You select the subject, say mathematics, and it will provide you a solution. See here, the solution is ready and you can view the solution. So it is so simple, just go to it. Use the code LEAFCLASSES to unlock this feature, and this one-time opportunity is valid for free subscription of Unacademy till 10th of March. So hurry up, clear your doubts and come with flying colors in your exams. Stay blessed. Question number 2C was m equals to minus 14, n equals to minus 3. You have to give this, the result of m modulus n. Children, for these type of questions, simply you solve like you do in maths. M modulus 10, modulus sign gives you the remainder. M is minus 14, n is minus 3. 3 into 4, minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. When you will subtract it, answer will be minus 2. So the result will be, the output will be minus 2. This should be the answer. Many of you I know must have written 2. So please check that. Like this you should solve the questions, right? Then the next question, E part, was you have to give the size in bytes for A4 of char value and P4 of float data type. Children, here it is array and each character value takes 2 bytes in the memory. So array of size 4 will take 4 into 2. So size will be 8 bytes. Similarly, for float takes 4 bytes memory space. So it will be 4 into 4. The answer should be 16 bytes. Please write it clearly. Whatever is asked, just go for that. You don't have to elaborate the things. Whatever is asked, if it is asked, give the output, just give the output. If it is asked, give the example, write the example. If it is asked, explain it, then only you go for the explanation. I think it is clear to all of you. Then question number 3C was one print statement and you have to write the output and 2 mathematical functions are there. Now inner bracket was of ABS function and then outer is of RINT. The correct answer for this is 16.0. The answer most of you have done, calculated correctly. You have written 16, but the return type of RINT is double, so answer should be 16.0. Children, again I am telling you, please learn the return data types for all the functions. Mathematical functions, string functions, character functions, that will help you a lot. Always one question comes from that type. Give the return type or it is written with print statement. So if you don't know the return type, the answer can be wrong. And when you are writing the return data type, it has to be in proper case. All the return data types are written in small letters except S of string. That only is the data type which has the first letter in capital. Rest everything, all the data types, whether it is long, double, float, int, char, boolean, everything is written in lowercase only. Please pay attention to that. Then few common mistakes in the programming section. Now if the data members are given in the question, please use the same data members with the same case. If it is in capital, it has to be in capital. If only first letter is capital, then it has to be exactly like that. And when you are writing the functions, please don't miss the return type. If the function is not returning any value, void should be there. Each function returns a value. If it is not returning, then before the function name, void word should be there. Please check that. Then whenever it is menu driven question, don't forget to put the default statement. Many of you don't write default statement. That is not correct. Please write default statement. And in the menu driven question, the first part was to give the factors of the number excluding that number. But since you are in habit of taking the values, taking the loop from 1 to n, so you have taken 1 to n. Please read the question. Here the question reading plays an important role. So if it is excluding that number, that means the loop should go till less than n or less than equals to n minus 1. So these are the common mistake which we should take care of, and these mistake we should not do in the forthcoming exams. Children, this Sunday, that is 14th of March, we will have the mock test 3. The question paper video will be uploaded at 10:45 a.m. in the morning. And the submission will start at 1:30 p.m. on the same day. So just be ready, make the PDF before the submission time, and please don't forget to put the page numbers in your sheets before making the PDF. Even those who will not be able to submit, don't worry, I will be bringing the solutions for that also. But I want the maximum participation from you so that we get the 36 entries, the new entries. Already those who have given, I know they are trying again also. And this mock test 2 also, we had many participants, those were there in mock test 1 also. But I will encourage new participants to submit in time, because mock test 2 submission was over within 2.5 minutes. So please just take care of the time, and I know you will be able to submit it. Those who have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. And yes, you can join us. You can follow us on our Insta page also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing, keep working hard, keep doing the questions. God bless you, children.